Most AI tools can answer questions, but Manus 1.6 can actually do the work for you. So Manus 1.6 is actually an advanced AI agent designed to go beyond simple chatbot interactions. Instead of just generating text, it can actually browse the web, research the topics, analyze files, and also automate workflows for you. So think of it like it's you combining like a chat GPT, an AI assistant, a browser agent, and an automation tool all in one system. The advantages of this Manus 1.6 is that it's extremely capable of task execution. So one of the biggest strengths is how well Manus handles multi-step workflows, and it has better reasoning than most AI agents. So a lot of AI agents fall apart once tasks get complicated, but Manus 1.6 is noticeably better at maintaining context, adapting to risk and everything, and it has a strong web interaction. It can navigate websites, extract information, summarize findings, and interact with tools in a much more human-like way compared to the other AI chatbots. But on the downside here, still this Manus AI is not fully reliable. Even though it's impressive, it's not magic, and it's slower than the traditional chatbots because Manus is actually doing tasks, so the responses can take significantly longer, and there is a learning curve associated. To get the best results, you need to understand how to prompt agents properly, and you have the pricing issues as well, because depending on the pricing model and availability, this may feel a bit targeted towards professional, rather than everyday use. So I would say for creators and entrepreneurs, you can, if you run a business, if you create content or multiple, if you manage multiple workflows, then this Manus 1.6 might be a future for you. But for like casual users, if you only use AI for chatting or quick answers, then it might not be the best one for you. It's like Manus 1.6, it's not actually perfect, but it is one of the strongest examples yet of what autonomous AI agents can become.